Hey guys, this is Tech Genius, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about NotebookLM, a real game changer for anyone doing research, whether it's for school, work, or even content creation. So if you're tired of messy notes and having to read through countless articles just to find the info you need, stay tuned. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Let's get into this video. You can upload your sources in different ways, which is super flexible. You can drop in links from websites or even YouTube. You can upload your Google Drive docs or just copy and paste plain text. And the best part, all the research and summaries it gives you comes directly from your sources, so not random information from the internet. So everything stays accurate. Once your sources are in, NotebookLM gives you a clean summary that covers all your materials. And if there's anything you're confused about, you can literally ask it any question, and it pulls answers directly from your files. And here's where it gets even cooler. Instead of only uploading files, you can just type in what you want to research. And NotebookLM will go find relevant sources for you. No need to dig through Google yourself. You can save the summaries in your notes section, or create your own custom notes right here in NotebookLM. Another feature I really like is the mind map. It takes your sources and automatically organizes them into categories. And when you click on a topic, it gives you info based on your actual sources, which makes it super easy to explore complex topics without getting overwhelmed. For students or anyone studying, NotebookLM has a built-in study guide feature. It gives you quiz questions with answers, plus content you actually can study from. There's also an FAQ section. Again, based on your sources. And if you want a full breakdown, there's this feature called briefing document. It pulls together an introduction, key concepts, definition, chapters. Another nice touch is the timeline feature. It basically lays out everything that happened over years based on your sources, which is great for historical research or tracking progress over time. Now, one of my favorite features in NotebookLM is the audio overview. Basically, it turns all your sources into a podcast-style summary that you can listen to, which is super useful when you don't feel like reading everything. I've been using this feature quite a bit, and most of the time it works really well. You get a nice overview of your research, and it even has this interactive mode where you can ask questions while listening. But just to keep it real with you guys, sometimes you might run into little issues with the responses, like it might not always give the exact answer you're expecting, but overall, it's still a really cool and helpful feature, especially when you're multitasking.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting straight to the point. Body weight exercises.
Yes.
You shared a really great collection of articles looking at everything from, the core benefits backed by experts to detailed how-tos for different fitness levels, even specific routines for older adults.
That's right.
So our mission today is really to cut through the noise. Reveal why using just your own body for resistance is, such a valuable and convenient path to getting healthier.
Exactly.
And the new feature they added, it doesn't just work in English. You can switch the language to French, Spanish, and a whole bunch of others. So you can do your research in whatever language you prefer, which is super inclusive. To make it even better, Google is also bringing an app for NotebookLM. It's already on the Play Store for pre-registration. So pretty soon, you'll be able to use it from your phone as well as your PC. That's gonna make research even more flexible, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is Tech Genius and thanks for watching.